In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective landing page. Whether you're promoting a new product, collecting email subscribers, or simply wanting to make a great first impression, a well-crafted landing page is crucial. So, let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to log in to your chosen platform. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the option to create something new. You're going to want to click on Create and select Landing Page from the options presented. This is where your journey truly begins. Next, it's time to give your landing page a name. This is more than just a label. It should reflect the purpose of your page clearly and concisely. Doing this helps keep you organized, especially if you're planning to create multiple pages. Along with naming your page, you'll also want to select the audience or list that this landing page will be associated with. This step is essential for ensuring your page reaches the intended viewers. Now comes one of the more creative aspects of the process: picking a template. You're usually provided with several design options to choose from, so pick a template that best aligns with the message you want to convey. Once you have your template, you can personalize it to better suit your needs. The next element involves diving into the builder to add and edit various blocks. This is the space where your page begins to really take shape. Start off by incorporating text blocks to highlight key information or a compelling call to action. Add visually engaging images that represent your brand or what you're offering. Including a form block is pivotal if you're gathering data or contact information from your visitors. And don't forget about buttons. Customize these to stand out and prompt users to take the desired action, whether it be subscribe, buy now, or learn more. As your page comes together, remember to pay attention to the finer details like editing the title, URL, site icon, or favicon to ensure consistency and professionalism. Keeping these elements aligned with your brand is a subtle but important aspect. This step ensures your landing page fits seamlessly with your existing online presence. If you're interested in tracking the performance and success of your landing page, you can set up tracking tools. This step is optional, but integrating Mailchimp tracking, Google Analytics, or similar tools helps you measure engagement and understand how visitors are interacting with your page. Before finalizing things, take a moment to preview your landing page. Look over everything carefully, ensuring all elements are working and appearing as you intend. Once satisfied with the final result, go ahead and save your work. The final step is to publish your landing page, making it live for your audience to see. Congratulations! You've now successfully created a landing page. With these tools, you're ready to make a great impact and drive the results you desire. Happy creating!